Hello everyone, welcome to the next stream, I guess. It will be rather a short one since it's quite late. During the last stream, we managed to generalize the idea of picking up objects from the ground. We wrote a general class, a base class for picking up objects, and we managed to actually inherit from it in a few base classes. I mean, not base classes, but a few classes like jar, jetpack or glove. And since that, we'll mainly focus during this stream on introducing this class in another items and bugfixing and clean coding, I guess. So let's get to the editor. I'll put some music in the meantime. Yeah, so I've got this shotgun class, which still inherits the base creature. Let's include the base item. Okay, since that we don't have to override those functions, does the base item overrides now? And we only have to override the void update item specific. Override. We have some overrides from iRenderable. We only have to override this one since those two were already overridden in the base item. The iCollidable overrides, same thing, we don't have to do it manually. Those two fields are now provided in the base class, in the base item class. This one can be made a local variable in the function. This one is provided by the base class we did during the last stream. The other ones are probably needed. Well, this one isn't needed also. Okay, so let's get to the implementation file and change it to the update item specific. And refactor those fields since now they are underscored. Same for the sub sprite info. Those are now provided by the base item class. And this is now underscored. Sprite state is probably an orientation now. No, it's not provided now. Okay, we have to do it manually, like that, since sprite states was probably provided by the base creature. Orientation. This indicates whether the item is facing left or right or whatever. Let's not like that orientation. Okay, should be like that. And this is not needed now. Also base item here. Here we've got to provide the pickup offsets. Pickup offsets are added to the item's position when it's picked up by the main dude. So it would have its unique position in the hands of the main dude. Blast has sprite state. Yes, it has sprite state. I guess I can't refactor it right now. Okay, it's been refactored. To do, provide actual offsets. For now I provided with 0 since I wanted to compile. This can be made, as I said, a local variable. That's a pointer to the current animation frame. And this now is underscored. Those can be deleted. I want to eventually remove all the defines and replace them with const expressions. Is the chest really needed? I guess no. Sound bank will be needed. And the cooldown, we can replace it with a const expression. Static, we can just double this line and shotgun cooldown. Let's make it 750 and replace this line with shotgun cooldown. Well, yeah, that's it. Let's try to compile it, or let's have a look here. Those lines are redundant right now, and this is going to be called, I guess. Check if can be pickups, that's also called, I guess. And kill creatures if have speed. This is probably also called in the base item class. There is an update function, and no, it's not called. So let's provide a to-do. Kill creatures. To-do, all items kill creatures when have speed, in example falling. Automatize this in the base items update function. And well, this one is not needed. A static pool was a good suggestion, since it's easy to fragmentize the 4 megabytes of RAM the Nintendo has, but well, it's not. It has like 0 priority right now. We don't have such problems. And provide actual offsets. So let's have a look and see and compare it with the same repository version. Where is it? It was +7 on the y-axis and 4 and 7 on the x-axis. Okay, let's make it like this and see how does it look. Oops. Yes, since it's not a creature right now, we can push it to the items vector. I thought that in fact with this, it's like an orientation right now. Just F2, hold by anyone, hold my main dude, hold by... Doesn't have the hold by anyone field right now. Okay, we've got to change this. It's the shotgun class. Will hold by anyone. That field is introduced since, unlike the other items, shotgun can be held by the shopkeeper, for example, and well, we will need a field that indicates that state. So let's go to this place and replace this with underscore sprites, with underscore orientation. And let's get here and replace that with hold by anyone and underscored version of activated. Let's now... this function takes a base creature. Okay, we can overload this. We can take a base item instead. It's a member function of the base creature. Okay, that's whatever. We'll duplicate the function with another signature. It's not base creature, but base item. Import that. And let's make the implementation file. Base item. And I guess that's it. That's a technical debt. We'll have to eventually remove this line, this function hole. Okay, let's try to recompile it. Well, looks like my editor just bugged. Whatever, let's just restart it. Can't remove any, can't use the back key. Well, I hate C-Lion sometimes, but of all editors I tried, and I tried Emacs at some point, I tried the Visual Studio. It's the best editor for me, fits my needs. Well, yeah, we've been in the shotgun class, and we did this, and now we can try to recompile it. Can we fit an off-topic story during the compilation time? Not really. Okay, so the shotgun is now the underscore version of hold by main unit, and again we have to put it to the items vector, since it's a vector right now, and it built. So let's build it, I mean not build it, but run it in the emulator. The level bugged, sorry for that. I must have done something wrong during the last stream, and there's a bugged level right now. I mean bugged level every some generation. By the way, if you've seen some bugs, there is a stable version on the GitHub, on the releases section, so don't get biased by the look, about how does it look right now. I mean, it has some bugs, but mostly because I'm country refactoring it in the github.com. There's a release section, and the last stable version was released in October, so that's the working version, and that's the development version right now, what I'm editing. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I quit the game since the shotgun probably needs to delete the function that I deleted. I mean, I deleted the call to the function. It was update sprite's position, which I believe should be called anyway. Should have been called. But let's try again with this function called. Fuck. Okay. The bomb is triggered. We don't have the shotgun in the way in the shop. Let's try again. Back level once more. As you see, everything is frozen. I'll have a shotgun. No, it's not going to work this way. Let's just restart it. That's the worst attempt to find the shotgun ever. Let's try it again. No shotgun whatsoever. And there is a shotgun. It works. Well, nothing more here. Okay, so let's get to another item. We've been in shotgun. Oh, and by the way, let's not make those magic numbers just laying here. Let's make them const expressions and put them here in the header file, like static const exp. By the way, I should have like making it. I can't put it in a anonymous namespace while it's in the class, so whatever. It can be static const expression anyway. I was thinking about putting it in a anonymous namespace, but I can't. It's in the class. So let's make a shotgun offset x left, like 4, like 7 for the right, and for the y-axis it should be 7. Shotgun offset x, right, left, and y. Okay. Let's move to another function. Another function. As I said, it's late. We have the spike shoes. It inherits from the base creature instead of a base item. Let's make it include the items. Base item. Base item again. Base item. Forgot to provide the offsets. Let's look how does it. Okay, it's 4, 4 and negative 4. So 4, 4, negative 4. We'll make it const expressions anyway, so let's left it like this. This creature overrides become base item overrides, and let's make void update item specific override. A renderable overrides, let's delete those two since they are already overridden in the base item class. Under creature specific, those two fields are already provided in the base class, in the base item class. And I guess this one is provided in the base item. Flag. Well, there's a render in HUD flag, so it has the same functionality. Let's replace all the collected flags as render with render in HUD. This is not needed right now. This is not needed anymore. this can be replaced. That's item specific. This can be removed. Let's look at the includes. Can we remove something? This creature. Okay, let's make it tidier. Looks better. And well, let's compile it. Let's try it again. And let's look for the spike shoes. It's hard to play this game. There are spike shoes here. Let's wear them. Okay, first bug. It didn't update, it didn't set the subscreen sprite to be invisible when wearing them, so let's set it. Okay, we've got the equip function, and when carrying spike shoes, we've got to set the subsprite info entry. This is visible or is hidden, I guess. It's like inversed, so is hidden must be set to be true. And let's recompile it. I forgot about some brackets, I guess. No. Well, okay, it's like I left the comma. Did it actually compile? No, it didn't. It's now an item, so okay, it compiled. So let's have a look and let's look for the spike shoes again. Okay, no shop generated on this level, so let's get killed, because it's faster. Back the level again, but we can wear those shoes anyway. No spike shoes in this level. We could also modify code so it would have like 100% of chance for getting those shoes in the shop. And I think I may want to do this, because sometimes it's hard. It's hard to make them appear in the shop when I want it. Okay, got the spike shoes on the lower screen, but get killed. Those blood animation in the score screen was unintended. Back the level again, everything is frozen. It's not frozen as long as you don't interact with it. Well, we can at least have some bug fix list made during this. Okay, we've got the spike shoes. Get the spike shoes on the lower screen. I've got to kill the shopkeeper, but I guess I can't kill them because he's frozen and jeez. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, let's make a crate. I'm tired of this. I will just make a 100% chance of getting a spike shoes from the crate. Loot, spawn loot, drop loot. Let's edit the drop loot function. Is this all? Because I don't see actually pushing an item. Oh, there's spawn random item. Okay, so switch for spike shoes, that's case 6. And okay, we got the spike shoes here. Okay, I guess everything is a spike shoes now. But I can't equip them, so it must be a bug specific to the spike shoes. I must have removed some line. If bought and check if can be equipped. Well, this line. Not sure if this line should be here. Like, let's check how I did it with a glove or a mitt. It's if bought, and let's just copy this. It's the same. If not, render on head. Can I actually pick up any item? This may be the key. No, we already have this. This one is redundant, since we did it here in the init sprites. Well, let's recompile it and try again. Okay, now it crashed. It's something. So probably the last thing it did was this, the equip function. So this must have crashed the game, I guess. The setting the sprite to be hidden. Try again. It's a lot of guesswork. Okay, get the spike shoes. What may be wrong is get this spawn random item function, and let's go to the spike shoes and set it not only to the oh, never mind. Spawn random item and I don't like the auto suggestions. Let's play it again, because it's a good album. Okay, and I guess everything's well, the clue is the equip function. It's not called because no, it would spawn the get collectible animation, and it would eventually make the spike shoes be rendered on the HUD. Could I check the shopping transaction? I check it like this, and oh, probably that's the reason. I get to generify those functions, like move them to some base class, since I'm forgetting to call them, or I'm not calling them in a order they were meant to be called. Okay, we've got the crate. That's a bug. That 1 pixel is a crate, but we can actually can we? We can pick up the spike shoes. Let's go to the base item. The base item checks it checks for collisions when it's not held by main dude. Okay, so I guess I get to set it to be held by main dude. Did it change somewhere over there? shouldn't have been rendered on the subscreen. It should be rendered on the upper screen, and checking for collisions should have been not called. Okay, so where's the problem? Sometimes it's rendered, and okay, that's the color palette. Sometimes there's also a bug where I override the area in the memory where the palette resides, and that results in some funny colors. Let's make the main sprite info visible explicitly, because it should be visible already. Okay. Let's recompile it and check it. Also, there was a line. There was a line when I set it to be ready to dispose, but never mind, it's probably just called. I've got a shop full of shoes. Okay, it looks like we've picked it, but I don't see any shoes on the upper screen. It's priority set, that's all she should be set, but I guess it's not the reason. Is the position set? Because I guess it's not set. Okay, never mind. It says it's here. But updating sprite's position should be after. Let's check it. Still don't see the shoes. I don't believe it, that can't be this. And it wasn't this. Okay, I guess I have to give up. I'll find it anyway. That spreads position. Let's print the position. No, the position is right. Oh, whatever. Let's leave it like this, and let's get to that later. Okay, so let's add those things. Made some of items, inherit from base item instead of base creature. And git push with sudo since we're doing sudo make before in this directory. Okay, let's... well, never mind. Sometimes things like this happen when you don't have any clue. So yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and let's see later. I guess this bug will be already fixed. So, well, see you.